How to fix Telegram video not playing. So if you want to fix the Telegram video not playing problem, then what you need to do is you just need to open up your Telegram application at first and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, log into your account and go for the upper left, which has that three bat icon, and now you need to go for settings option. Tap on settings and then scroll down and go for privacy and security. Under privacy and security, if you have the storage option, you just need to simply scroll down and then you need to go for storage. And here under your profile, you just need to simply go for the option of data and storage. Under data and storage, here you will have an option of data usage or storage usage. Simply tap on the storage usage and then tap on clear cache and again tap on clear cache, and now your problem might be fixed. Or you can go back and here you will have an option of automatic media download, right? And if you have toggled off any of these options, like if you have disabled any one of these, then simply enable it. And the next thing you need to do is you just need to go for your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. So if you're using your Wi-Fi, then switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, then switch to a Wi-Fi for a few minutes and then your problem might be resolved. Or you can also try the fix, which is Play Store. So simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, if you have any updates under your Telegram, then simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Telegram video not playing option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.